Hey guys, a bit different today. So we're going to be changing out the headlight switch control on this TT, because if you come here, babe, so this bit in the Audis for the interior light dim control, the knob, the tip breaks off. It should be like this one here, but it always breaks off. I've seen it in loads of Audis. So what we've done is I've looked up the part number for this, which is here. So that's the part number. That one there. If you type it into eBay, we got this for like £17.50, so it's not very expensive at all. And the funny thing is about these is you can use these in A3s, S3s, RS3, TT, TTS, RS3. So they're all interchangeable. It's the same part for the different ranges. But if you have a look here, I'm guessing that's for the heads-up display control. So you can, I'm guessing Audis of like the 5, 6, 7s use this as well, but because this face comes off. But yeah, it's pretty much all the same part. So all you have to do is go on eBay, type this part number in, and that should be fine. The reason why I'm making this video is because when I was doing research to change this one for ours, I couldn't really find anything. There was one video of an A3, a guy doing it, but I figured I'd make this all in one how-to. But yeah, so it shouldn't take long. All you need is like a prying tool set like this, and you should be good to go. So this is from an RS3. Again, it's the same part number, similar thing, so it should work fine. So let's crack on. Put that down there. Just get yourself a prying tool like this, and this has to come out. And then there's a little notch here. You put that in there, if it fits. Nope, I need to use a smaller one. There you go, pry it out, nice and easy. It will come out, there you go, there you go. So it's held in by clips here, nice and easy, just pops out. That's fine. And then with this isn't screwed in or glued in. You have to put your hand back here and just push it out. So you literally just, if you look, can you see in there, babe? Can you get the angle in there? So this whole thing is just back here. So I'll show you on this one. If you look here, so it's held in by these clips here. 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top.
There is a plug, so be careful.
Yeah, it's long, it'll come out, it's fine. So what you're gonna do is put your hand in there and push. To be fair, that was easier than I thought it would be. So yeah, so again, these clips, 2 on either side, just hold it in place. And then what I found as well is if you get yourself a flathead screwdriver, there's a little plug here. You push that black bit down, that little knob, you have to push that down. Push it. Push that down, and then it unclips. And if you want to just make sure that they're both the same, this is from a breaker's yard, but yeah, both the same part numbers. Good to go. But yeah, old, new, nice and easy, huh? Cool. So again, what you've got to do is just the opposite of what we just did. So clip this back in, nice and easy. You can hear it click. Happy days. Actually, before you put it on, turn the car on and just make sure everything works. So yeah, that's now orange, isn't it? You can see. Yeah. Orange, green, headlights, cool. So if you put it on auto, do the front fog light, that's fine. That's fine. And then if you just do this. Yep. Sweet. So that works as well. Happy days. Turn the car off. Put that back to 0. And then all you gotta do is just align it. Should be nice and easy. These 2 notches on either side, there's like grooves in there. You've got to align them too. Can you see that? There's a groove here, and then that massive line slots in there. There you go. And that's it. Now this, you've got to align these 4 slots with these slots here. Again, nice and easy. Take your time, because you don't want to break anything. And that's it. Turn the car on. So yeah, this is the old one. Lights work. Yep, I can see it in the back of my car. Yep. And then sweet. Cool. That's it. Nice and easy. Probably a 5-minute job. Yeah. Cheers. Thanks, guys.